The Line X of Streetsboro team has relocated to Hudson. At our new state-of-the-art facility, we're the premier one-stop shop for vehicle outfitting in Northeast Ohio. Whether you're building your dream ride or looking for the best 4x4 gear in the area, you've come to the right place. We're the pros at custom builds to tame the trails and beefing up your defense against salt, rust, and rocks, no matter what comes your way. Our customs team will help you design your ultimate draft to turn that factory ride into your dream. From custom wheels and tint to off-road suspension and lighting, we have everything you need to make your rig stand out. So, whether you're looking for lifelong protection, rugged performance, or just want to stand above the crowd, come see us at Line X in Hudson. We're your first and last stop for complete vehicle upfitting, and we can't wait to get those wheels rolling.